Section T5B Math for Electronics, Conversion of Electrical Units, Decibels, and the Metric System. How many milliamperes in 1.5 amperes? C. 1500 milliamperes. The prefix milli means 1000, so to convert amperes to milliamperes, multiply 1 by 1000. So 1.5 amps times 1000 equals 1500 milliamps, which is equal to 1,500,000 hertz. A. 1500 kilohertz. So 1 kilohertz is 1000. Dividing 1,500,000 hertz by 1000 equals 1500 kilohertz. This is also equal to 1.5 megahertz, which is equal to 1 kilovolt. C. 1000 volts. So the prefix kilo means 1000. Therefore, 1 kilovolt equals 1000 volts, just as 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters, which is equal to 1 microvolt. A. 1 millionth of a volt. The prefix micro means 1 millionth. 1 microvolt equals 1 millionth of a volt, which is equal to 500 milliwatts. 0.5 watts. Answer B. 1000 milliwatts equals 1 watt. Therefore, 500 milliwatts equals 500 divided by 1000 equals 0.5 watts. The prefix milli means 1,000th, which is equal to 3000 milliamperes. 3 amperes. Divide milliamperes by 1000 to convert to amperes. 3000 milliamperes divided by 1000 equals 3 amps. A quick trick, change the comma to a decimal point, which is equal to 3.525 megahertz. C. 3525 kilohertz. 1 megahertz is 1000 kilohertz, so you multiply 3.525 megahertz by 1000, and that equals 3525 kilohertz. This frequency is in the 80 meter band, which is equal to 1 million picofarads, 1 microfarad. There is 1 million picofarads in 1 microfarad. Which decibel value most closely represents a power increase from 5 watts to 10 watts? B. 3 dB. A doubling of power equals approximately 3 dB. Going from 5 watts to 10 watts is a doubling, so it equals about 3 dB. This is one of the most important relationships to remember in radio. Which decibel value most closely represents a power decrease from 12 watts to 3 watts? C. Minus 6 dB. 12 watts to 3 watts is a factor of 1/4, or 2 halvings. Each halving is minus 3 dB. 2 halvings is minus 3 plus minus 3 equals minus 6 dB. Which decibel value represents a power increase from 20 watts to 200 watts? C. 10 dB. 200 watts divided by 20 watts equals 10 times the power. A 10-fold increase in power equals exactly 10 dB, which is equal to 28,400 kilohertz. 28.400 megahertz. Divide kilohertz by 1000 to get megahertz. 28,400 kilohertz divided by 1000 equals 28.400 megahertz. This frequency is in the 10 meter band, which is equal to 2,425 megahertz. 2.425 gigahertz. So you divide megahertz by 1000 to get gigahertz. 2,425 megahertz divided by 1000 equals 2.425 gigahertz. And this frequency is near the 13 centimeter amateur band. So there's our unit and conversion decibel essentials, the key takeaways: metric prefixes, pico, micro, milli, kilo, mega, giga, and moving between adjacent prefixes, multiply or divide by 1000. To convert milliamps to amps, kilohertz to megahertz, divide by 1000 or move the decimal 3 places to the left. To convert down amps to milliamps, megahertz to kilohertz, you multiply by 1000 or move the decimal 3 places to the right. Critical dB values: double power equals plus 3 dB, half power minus 3 dB, 10 times power equals plus 10 dB, 1/10 power equals negative 10 decibels. So combine any of these for any calculation. Capitalization matters in abbreviations. MHZ with a little letter z is mega. MHZ with a capital H is milli, and they are very different. Kilohertz uses lowercase k.